Hello students, my name is Prashant Jain and I am your mentor at an academy. Today I am going to talk about a very prestigious scholarship cum admission examination called KVPY. This examination is for all the students of class 11th and 12th. So if you know anybody who is in class 11th and 12th and need to know about this examination, please share this video to that student. So let's start with the timeline of KVPY essay and SX examination. In the month of August and September, we have registrations. The registrations are done online on their website. The link of the website will be told to you soon in this video. In the month of October, you get admit cards. On the first Sunday of November, the exam happens in online mode. The examination is exclusively conducted in online mode. In the month of February and March, all the selected students who have qualified for stage 2, that is interview round, they give interview. The interviews are based on a teacher recommendation form as well as a student appraisal form. The result of stage 1 are declared by the end of December. In the month of April, in total, 3,500 scholarships are offered by IISc authorities for admissions in IISc, and these scholarships are valid only for those students who take graduations in BSc, BStat, BMath, etc. So, what is all about this KVPY aptitude exam? Let's talk about that. It has one paper to be conducted in 3 hours. In total, there are 80 questions and there is a negative marking. So, in total, there are 2 sections. In the 2 sections, first section has 60 questions and the second section has 20 questions. In the first section, every question is of 1 mark. In the second section, every question is of 2 mark. It's an aptitude test which judges your aptitude in physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology in 11th class, and in 12th class you can choose either 3 of these subjects. So basically, if you are from PCM branch or you are from PCM, you can choose accordingly. So the second round is interview round. The student who qualifies after the aptitude test, they get a chance to appear in the interview. The subjects covered, like I said, are PCMB, and the final result comes in the month of April. Every information about KVPY can be found on the website which I have just shown you, www.kvpy.iisc.earnnet.in, and in this website you can see many aspects of KVPY like cutoffs, like syllabus, everything. Although we have also covered this in this video. So let's talk about the syllabus first. If we talk about class 11, the syllabus is of class 10th and 11th. Obviously, there is an eligibility criteria that you need to score 80% in class 10th to be eligible to write the aptitude test. Now, what can be the study strategy? See, it has certain aspects of class 12th as well. So in the name of class 10th, KVPY authorities ask question of class 12th. For example, electricity is covered in class 10th in physics. It is in class 12th in physics. It is not there in class 11, but the question level, which is of class 12th, are asked in class 11 paper, which is surprising. But you can get a hold of it by doing previous year problems, study these specialized topics which may not be covered in your usual preparation, and use your Diwali break to prepare for the 4th subject. Why I'm telling you this? Because if you are a PCM aspirant, if you are a JEE aspirant, you might not be studying biology. And same goes for NEET aspirants. If you are a NEET aspirant, there are chances that you do not have mathematics, and the chances that you do not have mathematics are higher. So you can use Diwali break to prepare for the 4th subject. If we talk about SX, the syllabus is of class 11th and 12th, and since it is conducted in the month of November, usually by that time, syllabus of JEE is covered in many of the institutes, and most of the students are also in the end of the syllabus. So you just need to attempt 3 sections in part A. So from all the 4 subjects, 20 questions come. Out of these 4 subjects, you need to attempt 3 sections or 3 subjects in part A. And in part B, 10 questions come from all the subjects and you need to attempt only 2 sections. So in total, you need to attempt 80 questions just like in class 11 paper. In class 11 paper, all the questions are compulsory. In total, there are 80 questions. In the section A, there are 60 questions. For every correct answer, you get +1. For every incorrect option, you get -0.25. The negative marking in section 2 is -0.5, but the upside is higher. The positive marks which you are going to get if you get the question correctly is +2. So now, what about the aptitude test cutoff? What about it? So I have shown you the last 3 years cutoff here. KVPY cutoff 2019, 2018, 2017. So SA, out of 100 marks, 44 was considered as the cutoff. So all the students who have secured 44 and greater marks were qualified for interview round. Same goes for SB, same goes for SX. If we see the pattern, the target score for KVPY SA is 45. For SB, it is 50. 50 for first year student, SB is for first year student. SB and SX papers are same. If we talk about SX paper, the marks are slightly higher because of the specialization, and in my opinion, you should target 60 marks in SX. The weightage of aptitude test is 75%. So final ranking is considered based on the aptitude as well as interview round, in which 75% is given to the aptitude round. Now let's do the quick tips. First, start preparing from April. Do not start in the month of August or September or in the last month October, because there are many students, thousands of students who are already preparing for KVPY. For some of the students, KVPY is the primary target because they want to study in IISc. So make sure that you are starting your preparation in the month of April. Complete all previous year questions. The type of questions are slightly different than JEE NEET, right? So you need to understand what is the type of question which they ask. Complete syllabus by the month of October. You should have some amount of time for the revision, and the most important part is that you need to take compendium of any coaching or online sources, because that way you'll be able to practice questions relevant to KVPY SA or SX. Now, I believe that you might have these questions. What to do? So your first question can be, how to study such syllabus? What is the ideal studies? What is the ideal study material? How do I know I'm preparing correctly? How to remain motivated for this examination? When you are following multiple targets, then you tend to get demotivated at times because you are not able to manage things. What to do then? Well, we have a solution for you. We are following detailed theory lectures live on Let's Crack Foundation and NTSC channel for class 11th. Our NSE-JS course is structured in a manner that you can also cover KVPY syllabus through that. So that is one information. We are providing comprehensive study material. Comprehensive study material means all the practice questions and test papers are given to you periodically. Periodic test for assessment of preparation. And then last but the most important thing, motivational and strategic videos by the team. We are providing you motivational videos so that you remain motivated toward your target. So what is our team? Who are the key persons? Rahul sir, Kumar sir, me, Ayushi ma'am, Ajay sir, Himanshu Nath sir. So for your KVPY preparation, me, Rahul sir, Ayushi ma'am and Himanshu Nath sir, we four are responsible, and we are taking the curriculum in the NSE-JS course, right? For KVPY SX, you just need to complete your JEE preparation or NEET preparation and you will be through. So, but what is better than the YouTube platform? It is our Plus platform. So you can crack IIT JEE and other examinations using India's largest learning platform, where you get India's best educators and many more things. So what do we have on Plus? Everything from quota for your success. Goal-oriented study, NSEP, NSEC, KVPY integrated JEE and NEET preparation, study from home, complete calendar and structure courses, periodic tests and feedbacks, special motivation sessions like I said, and the most important part is that it is affordable. You can get the subscription and at 10% of the offline quota institutes. So what are you getting there? You'll get daily live classes, live tests and quizzes, structured courses, unlimited access. So you take one subscription and you will have access to all the educators of that category, all the courses of that category, all the study material of that category. So I also want to tell you my upcoming batches. So Pinnacle for JEE 2022, KVPY is integrated in this course for class 11th. Then I have started pre-RMO geometry starting from 1st May. Then NSCJS and pre-RMO 2020 geometry on the foundation platform. And Phoenix for JEE 2021, and where I am starting integration, and KVPY SX preparation is also integrated in this course. What is the fee of Plus subscription? 1 or 2 year. You have it in front of your screen, and for the foundation also you have it in the front of your screen. If you use my code PJ Live, you get 10% discount. You are already seeing the reduced prices, and I can 100% say this, that it is the most affordable and quality platform. In fact, it is the perfect blend of excellence and affordability. So after taking the subscription, you can inform me on Telegram at @Prashant42Jain, or you can WhatsApp me on 7597084242. So this is the comparison for Plus and YouTube. In case you have any confusion, you can always look at this table. Live classes, yes. Chapter module, yes. DPPs, yes on Plus and no on YouTube. Revision classes, and so like this is the comparison. The most important thing is that the interaction is much more personalized, much better in Plus platform than in YouTube. So I hope you understood the examination well. You know the target, you know the strategies. Now it is on you how you want to proceed. So thank you for listening out to me. You can keep commenting on our videos, keep sharing our videos, and remember to hit the bell icon for notification. And if you want to come on Plus platform, just use my code PJ Live and let me know. Thank you.